welcome to Relax and Retire Smart. One of the most underestimated risks in retirement is not the market, it is living longer than your money lasts. Life expectancy has increased significantly over the past few decades. A healthy 65-year-old today has a reasonable chance of living into their late 80s or beyond. That could mean 20 to 25 years of retirement income to plan for. The challenge is that most people plan for a shorter window, and they structure their spending and withdrawals accordingly. A few things worth thinking about: how your income holds up if you live to 90, how inflation affects purchasing power over a long retirement, and whether your plan accounts for increasing healthcare costs later in life. Longevity is not a problem, but it does require a plan that accounts for it. If you would like to see how your current plan handles a longer timeline, click on the income snapshot link in the description of this video.